couldn't wait to eat a bloody pie.
And we're here at Dairy Flats. This is the spot where it all started.
Pie 97.
And it's open, and it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, look, they have like streets not out yet. This is just pure gluttony. The sausage rolls look good. What are we getting here, bud?
We're gonna be buying the whole store.
Well, they got the fruit. Guess who's here? Hi, Sarah. She waited for us all day, right, Sarah? Did you wait for me? Yes. And now I'm gonna eat some pie. It's pie number 6. I believe it's number 6. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a pie number 6, Sarah. We're here at Waitangi Day here at Pass Park. The music's about to get crazy, so it's kind of loud. It's chocker. A lot of people, a lot of food. We're about to get into it. Let's see what we have here today at Waitangi Day, Auckland, New Zealand, Pass Park, where I grew up. Oliver said that he wanted the what?
Single flake dip.
Single flake dip. This is it, Mr. Whippy. All right, the original OG. You gotta eat it quick, it's gonna melt. It's hot.
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
It's melting on the sides, so be it quick. Scruffles are like basically a waffle, cooking and cream, flavored on top, right? That's gonna come off. It looks yum, dude. That's the spot right there. Oh wow, we're all about food these days, huh? We're all about just rubbing down and don't care about nothing. It's yum. All right, guys, this is the second to last day, our last swim. Before we kape, basically get out of New Zealand. We landed early as this morning, about 5 a.m. Alvin picked us up. We're completely out of it. We're just like so tired.
I have not slept for 24 hours. Like I took like a 30-minute nap. So, that's all.
Power naps in between today, but it's too hot over here. I don't know if you guys can hear those cicadas over here. Cicadas everywhere. I know we have them in the States, in certain places, but I don't think we have them in California. I've never heard of those cicadas before. So, and I was walking to the beach, about a 5-minute walk from Alvin's house to the beach over here. Enjoy our last swim, and then do a little bit of shopping, and then close out the night tomorrow night with a nice Italian dinner, right? None whatsoever, lads. Oh man, it's beaming. That sun is burning, dude. Lucky you got the suntan. Levi, you're just having so much fun with your dad and your black uncle right here. The pure darkness. Ace of Spades. From music festival. So from the from Past Park Music Festival to the beach. That's what we're doing right now, lads. People of YouTube. Oh, look at this water, beautiful. Can't beat this in New Zealand summer. Is that guy taking a piss? Oi! She'll be right, she'll be right. Get in the yards, cobber. What's the masterpiece I'm looking at here? This is probably our last beach, run, swim, whatever you want to call it. Oh, you got a little, what? The water's going down there. Yeah. It look like someone's tits. Is that a moat? Is that a moat? That's what that is. Water running up that island. So there you are, yeah. What kind of beer is this, mate?
Export gold.
Is it? Are you sure?
Yep.
Well, cheers to this, mate.
Cheers. Waiting for some Turkish
Lovely.
on rice.
Just out here in the locals, Foursquare, the old fish and chips, bakehouse, bakery. Can't beat it, guys. Typical Kiwis. I gave him $4, right? And this is what he comes back with. I thought he was going to get a toothbrush and toothpaste for today, or for tonight, but he came back for chocolate, Cadbury, and some chips. Some Sony Lens chips. Those are actually pretty good. So that's what I'll take. So we're starting our last full day here in New Zealand. So we're starting our last full day here in Tamaki Makaurau. Tamaki Makaurau, is that how you pronounce it? Yeah, pack and save. Pack and save. We're about to buy all our junk food. Of course you love it, you little mongrel.
Oh man, I love this especially. The pack and save guy. He's very happy.
The old pack and save. They have butter chicken pie. Big Ben's butter chicken pie. Shit, dude, should I take this one?
Delicious. Good up.
Bacon and egg, steak and cheese. Oh, these good. For steak. Levi, you got a shadow behind you. Sarah, Uncle's leaving tomorrow.
Come for a pee.
Do you want me to stay? Are you sure?
Yeah, funny.
Stay a long time? Should I live with you guys? Or go home? Nice and cool. So there's the videos on.
Oh, sorry.
She just called you out like
She
that.
called me out.
What'd you say, Sarah?
Are you coughing, right?
We're talking about you.
Yeah.
Yeah, your dad was. He's talking about you.
And I'm saying that I love you so much.
Oh my gosh, he got you, man.
Okay.
Who are these whiteys? That's my cousin right here.
Hello. Crazy.
I can see the kids.
Come here. Hey.
You sure? Other cousins.
This is Uncle Tony.
Other cousins.
Hey. How's your dad? How's your dad?
He's at home. If I give you my address, you can just stop by, like up the road.
Your dad lives around the corner. Oh, give me the address. Siva, bro. Who's your Siva? Sorry, excuse me. What is this? Oh, so yeah, Mitchell. That makes sense. That sounds more Italian. Listen here, Queen Bee. Oh, sorry. Anyway, cheers. Cheers, guys. To family and friends. Cheers. Cheers, guys. It's very normal for you.
For you, still kind of.
What is that one?
Give me the Texas one.
I'm not familiar with the
terminology, the pronunciations. It's steak au pepe. It's really is a pepe. Pepe meaning baby.
It looks pretty good. Our Pepe is geil.
Here it is, the famous Rocky Road, Lewis Rocky Road creamery milk here from New Zealand. Apparently it's really, really good, and I want to try it for the first time. Let's give it a go. Give it a shake. Make sure we're all tasting me.
It's my job, kinda.
Okay, here it is. Give it a smell test first.
Is it chocolate or dark chocolate? Is it? I can't smell this one.
Wow. No, my son's right here. He's trying to grab it. Wait, Levi, wait. I'm trying to test one more test. Wait. That tastes like the ice cream.
But it doesn't sound like you're doing ASMR right now in front of everybody.
Oh, it's delicious.
ASMR here, bud, is crazy.
You guys try it for the first time?
My nose is blocked, so I don't taste much, but...
It's nothing better than nothing compares to this. I've never actually... We have different flavors, banana, strawberry, and just regular chocolate, and double chocolate in this, but... Like...
Dude, but I'm like super...
So, I guess this is something similar to that, maybe? Tip Top ice cream? Tip Top ice cream, here it is. This is a Rocky Road. So I'm guessing equivalent to this, I'm assuming. Correct me if I'm wrong, comments down below. So this is the Tip Top ice cream of that. This.
No, it's not.
It's not? Okay, maybe it's not.
No, it literally is that chocolate. Remember that chocolate bar we had, that milky one?
This is the Rocky Road ice cream.
Peanut slab. The peanut slab, the chocolate one? That.
It's the Rocky Road ice cream.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nothing better than this.
It's like strawberry filling ice cream with these chocolate little rocky things on the back. It's not hard. It's not crunchy. They're soft, but it gives a good texture. So it surrounds the actual strawberry ice cream, and it just like they marry really well. It goes really well.
It's good. It's delicious.
Wow, it's the best thing. We're supposed to wait for Alvin.
Oh.
We're whispering because the baby's asleep.
That's probably why it sounds like ASMR. Best
My
thing in the
gosh,
world.
it's like, well, if I can take these home and sell them in America,
You'll be rich.
like the ice cream, basically the dairy here in New Zealand is some of the best in the world, if not the best in the world.
It is the best.
Levi can contest to this. He's American.
I know
Raised,
American
born.
food. No offense to American, but
hands down, New Zealand has the best dairy, ice creams, chocolates.
facts.
A little biased, but you just can't beat it. You can't beat it. No, I don't know. Look at that. Just Google it. I actually emailed them last year, or the year before, I can't remember, but asking if they can start selling their ice creams or sell their ice creams in America. And they said they couldn't because of logistics. I'm assuming that means like too expensive or to ship them over. But they should. Like they sell. I'm sure they'll sell a lot of these.
They shouldn't, because it's make it extra
Basically,
special.
all of Tip Top ice creams. If you Google Tip Top ice cream in New Zealand, look at all the flavor ice creams they have. It is out of this world. Levi's had
A lot.
been here many times now, like 4 or 5 times to New Zealand, and
Maybe 6.
he's tried most of the ice creams here. Oh, he loves it. No, Levi?
America shouldn't sell this because number one, it might go a little bit down. Might be like worse in value. And second of all, it wouldn't be as special. Because I mean, every year or every couple of years, you get the taste of good things. But if you eat this like every day, it gets sickening. You're like, I don't want to eat it anymore.
You won't eat every day because
Yeah,
it's just
but-
a regular ice cream now, but because we don't live here, we want to eat this as much as we can before we go home. Because we won't see it again for another year or two. Here it is.
It's like a full-on ASMR video.
It's more.
You guys comment down below what ASMR stands for.
That's it.
Look, she's coming to me. Her favorite.
That's crazy.
We're saying goodbye, Bubby.
We're not gonna see you in a while. Hold on, take a video. Here. I have my water. My boyfriend, my flags off. It's okay. Bye. Ready? Good job.
Careful, Bub.
Good job. Good job.
I don't want to get hit.
The last one.
Yeah.
Bye. Careful, stay. Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, Bubby. Yeah. Oh. Second try.
Okay, see you guys.
Leave all your chippies. Here, we'll grab your water.
What?
Say goodbye, Sarah.
I said we go to the shop.
Say bye, Fat Santa. For the video.
Bye back, Santa.
Oh my gosh! You chicken monkey!
So quick, babe.
Fine.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye, chicken buffet. Eat your bananas.
Hey, don't forget to eat your banana.
Eat your bananas, monkey.
Love you. Bye. Said this is the spot you said is happening, right? It's called Banh Mi Boy.
Yeah. I'm not sure why
Auckland's
you're emphasizing.
award-winning traditional banh mi sandwich right there. It says it right there, guys.
I like how you're
We're gonna go.
emphasizing you said.
Well, dude, I don't even know this place until you told me.
Well, I think you
Now
wanted to eat the
we're about to smash
Vietnamese,
this before we jump on the plane. Let's get it in, guys.
Light, which I can barely take. Medium, maybe. Spicy, no. Straight to the hospital, that's me dying.
Rest in peace.
peace.
Rest in peace. This is it. The old banh mi place. Crikey Moses, mate. What are you? This is how you know you're Samoan traveling. You got one of these styrofoam boxes, bins, with the umu, what those damn Samoligans have. The umu. See, what the heck, Levi? Don't say that. Chicky boy. I love the finished car park and all the rental cars right here at Auckland Airport. It's way better now. Looks so nice. It looks really similar to Sydney's airport. Alright, so we got the banh mi sandwich. We're about to grub down. Look at that. It is delicious. Got to put that tone on, right, Al? Put the character on. It be like cringy, but you look at it. It looks delicious. It's so-called best in Auckland. I was just demolishing. This is the chicken lemongrass. What do you got, huh? Crispy pork. Crispy pork. Look at the inside. Look at that.
Best in the land.
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
I'm not sure about standing up and eating.
The lemon comes out. It's just like real flavorful. And then you got the cilantro, what they call coriander. Different strong flavors. I could taste the pasty, what is that?
Pate.
The pate in the middle right here.
Oh yeah. I think it was supposed to be called pate. Like that.
Oh, you say pate? I don't know how you
Potato.
pronounce it. Pate.
Real Vietnamese in there.
It's good. Out of 10, give it a 9.5.
That's good.
9.5. What do you got there, bud?
Oh, finally, it's my last New Zealand full 100% meat, not with chemicals inside of my burgers I eat in America.
Come on, buddy.
Actual 100% New Zealand beef instead of chemicals,
What?
soy, and crap.
Oh my God.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming.
Gungy. I hate when people cry when they're so ugly when they cry.
I know, like ugly criers, eh?
Ugly crier. Don't be an ugly crier, dude.
Yeah. Just be hard, keep it inside.
Keep it inside.
Yeah.
Don't be kia kaha, bro.
You're recording everything else.
See you guys. Thanks for coming. See you in a couple of years. Yes, I'm gonna party. The Charlies are gone.
Oh, sure, mate. You'll be like, man, I got no one to party with. No one to party with anymore. Cut. Rob, see you, bud. Rob, I'll see you later. Kids, good seeing you guys. Kat, thank you for hosting us and for dinner last night. And say bye to Kiki and Ayla and my little favorite one. What's her name again? Sarah Bear. Sarah. Oh, Sarah Bear. Sarah, do this to Sarah. Her nose.
It's not funny, isn't it?
All right, this is the moment of truth. See if it made it all the way without going bad. This is nothing. It's just the. Oh, they're still cold, dude. Still cold. It's still hard too. Actually, some of it's still hard. Oh yeah. Perfecto. It's still good. It's still hot. Hot. Even the pies are kind of hard. Oh yeah. My favorite team wins. Eagles gotta win.
And there's no